Hello and welcome to another episode of AWS Cloud Bytes News. I'm your host Bhavesh Kumar. Friends, if you like these videos, please like, share, subscribe and click the notification bell icon for future updates. Also comment on topics you want me to cover for our architecture and certification series. Let's look at the first news. Amazon Rekognition Face API's version 6 has improved accuracy. Amazon Rekognition Face API helps in analyzing faces within images and videos at scale without requiring any kind of machine learning expertise. Its use cases are identity verification, photo search, and media analysis. Face API version 6 delivers high accuracy to detect faces, comparison, and search features. The latency has been reduced by 70%. And the Face API version 6 is now available in all supported regions without any additional cost. Moving on to the next news. Amazon Lex now supports custom vocabulary. Amazon Lex is a service for building conversational interfaces into any application using voice and text. You can now provide Amazon Lex additional information about how to process speech input by creating a custom vocabulary. A custom vocabulary is a list of domain-specific terms or unique words such as brand names, product names that are more difficult to recognize. You can create a list and add it to the bot definition. So Amazon Lex can use these words when determining the user's intent or collecting information in a conversation. This allows you to enhance speech recognition and deliver an improved end-user experience. A picture of Amazon Lex is on the top. Moving on to the next news. The new Amazon ElastiCache Console is now available. The new Amazon ElastiCache Console provides simpler navigation and richer contextual information. A picture of current ElastiCache dashboard is given. It provides a more consistent look and feel with other AWS service consoles. It also provides an overview of most important actions, resources, and information. A simplified cluster creation experience for ElastiCache for Redis and ElastiCache for Memcached. A new console helps you perform tasks faster by providing contextual information in help panels. New redesigned user and user group management pages with new controls, making interaction much more intuitive. Moving into the next news. AWS SAM CLI now supports enabling AWS X-Ray tracing. The AWS Serverless Application Model, or SAM for short form, CLI is a developer tool that makes it easier to initialize, build, package, test on local and cloud, and deploy serverless applications. AWS SAM CLI allows enabling AWS X-Ray tracing in your SAM template automatically. This makes it easier to centrally manage AWS X-Ray tracing across your Lambda functions in your serverless application. The AWS X-Ray helps you analyze and debug your distributed applications, such as those built using a microservice architecture. AWS X-Ray provides an end-to-end view of requests as they travel through your application, making it easier to monitor and troubleshoot complex serverless architecture. Enabling tracing through the AWS CLI, SAM CLI, reduces the complexity of setting up tracing on each of your Lambda function. To enable tracing through the AWS SAM CLI, simply add -- tracing flag to the SAM init command invocation to activate tracing. Moving on to the next news. Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL supports cascaded read replicas. Amazon Relational Database Service, or Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL, announces support for Postgres 14 with 3 levels of cascaded read replicas. 5 replicas per instance, supporting a maximum up to 155 read replicas per source instance. You can create single AZ or multi-AZ cascaded read replica DB instances in same region or any one cross-region from another read replica instance, enabling you to build a more robust disaster recovery architecture. For PostgreSQL 14.1 and higher, read-intensive workloads such as data analytics can now benefit up to 155 cascaded read replicas that offers up to 30 times higher read capacity versus previous version of PostgreSQL. You can now also pre-create read replicas for selected disaster recovery target read replica and utilize read scaling immediately after promoting the target. The cascaded read replicas also come with the option to enable automated backups that allow for a quicker promotion of read replica to source instance, since only incremental snapshots is required for the promoted read replica. Moving on to the next news. AWS Compute Optimizer adds 4 new Trusted Advisor checks. AWS Trusted Advisor adds 4 checks automatically ingested from AWS Compute Optimizer. AWS Trusted Advisor provides recommendations that help you follow AWS best practices. It evaluates your account by using checks to identify opportunities for you to improve security, performance, reduce cost, and monitor service quotas. AWS Compute Optimizer checks are available in the business support, enterprise support on-ramp, and enterprise support plans. The new checks are Amazon EBS over-provisioned volumes, Amazon EBS under-provisioned volumes, AWS Lambda over-provisioned functions for memory size, AWS Lambda under-provisioned functions for memory size. These checks are available to view in the AWS Trusted Advisor console and accessible via the AWS Support API. Moving on to the next news. AWS Fargate now delivers faster scaling of applications. AWS Fargate, the serverless compute engine of Amazon Elastic Container Service or ECS and Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service or EKS, now enables customers to scale applications faster, improving performance and reducing wait time. Fargate now scales application up to 16 times faster, making it easier to build and run application at a larger scale on Fargate. When using Amazon ECS Service Scheduler for running web and other long-running applications, you will be able to launch 500 tasks in under a minute per service, 16 times faster than last year. Previously, you would have waited for nearly 15 minutes to scale an application to 500 tasks at steady state. When running one-time or periodic batch, the batch jobs using ECS Run Task API, Fargate now allows customers' account to burst up to 100 on-demand or spot tasks with a sustained task launch of 20 tasks per second. It's 20 times faster than last year. An example is that if you have a batch job with 1200 on-demand tasks, you can now launch your jobs in a minute, while previously you would have waited for about 20 minutes. Similarly, EKS Fargate customers will now observe 20 times faster scaling than using the previous version. This is the end of the episode. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell icon for future updates. This is your host Bhavesh Kumar signing off. Thank you.